Okay, this is definitely the biggest scooter box I've ever seen. You don't feel like you have to help me. Like, I can manage this all by myself. I bet you guys are kind of wondering what this is. It is the Obarter. It's O-B-A-R-T-E-R, like you're bartering with me on like, do you accept my soul in exchange for this scooter? The answer to that is yes. Obarter. Obarter. Made in the Chinas. Tell me if I'm smiling like a little giddy school child, because I'll stop that. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm seeing 2 chargers. So this is an adapter, because there's the 2 ports. So that's gonna be something with charging. A lot of screws, and then 3 of those. We'll figure that out. I'm pretty confident that we can figure this out. Let's dig in here, Matthew. Woo! What? Well, you don't like that shot?
No, I don't like that shot.
I don't think my viewers are gonna like that shot either. Oh, there we go.
Holy moly.
It's monstrous. Hey. Monstrous. Can I say monstrous one more time? Monstrous. Back open. There's my hand. That's a tire. Bring it out. Oh, and as you would expect, that's very light, so. Oh, we got the Wally Lights. It's a nice bright ring around that. Oh, there's 2 sets of them. Look at that. It just keeps on going. Stem is like 60 pounds just there. Woo! Holy smokes. Look how, dude, look at the clearance on that. I could crawl under there.
My whole head can fit underneath this thing. I got a fat head.
Look how girthy. I'm gonna use that word. Look how girthy that battery compartment is. That's the LCD screen.
Can you play Netflix on that screen, Mike?
Do you want a Netflix and chill?
No.
So I don't see any instruction manual. There's 2 holes there, there's 2 holes there. So I gotta unscrew these 2. That's gonna slot, there's a slot there. There's my size, 10.5 foot. There's the deck. I mean, you could have a dance party on that thing. They got a passcode on the deck. The wire's like manly and beefy. Look how thick that is. Just 2 screws on each side. There's 4 screws here, so you can rotate the handlebars. I'm a little bit scared to ride this. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, you're gonna be like brighter than a car coming down the road with this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and just. I'm ready. Keys on. Oh, get a load of the lights. Get a load. Oh, that is cool. Wow, look at that. That is way cool. God, just the rim is like brighter than the headlights. You got the plexiglass so it shines through, which is cool, so you can see it from the rear. Big old bright tail light. Apparently the left blinker's on, so you got blinkers. Yep, right, left. What the heck is that? It's so cute and teeny. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's cool. It's like a energy bar powering up. Sorry, I kind of got in the mood there for a second. Okay, single dual eco turbo. I mean, seen this design a lot, but we have not seen that design, and that is pretty awesome. I'm just gonna go up to that mountain right there. Just go straight up down the door, mountain there, go in there, turn it, tree, and then gonna find my fan, and then we'll go. All right, guys. I don't know what that was. So that is the unboxing of the X7 Obarter scooter, monster scooter. I mean, this is like in a class of itself. I guess we're just gonna charge it up and then go riding or something.